get efficient. Who's gonna do the work? Now what you gonna do? Social Security, all of the executives, they resigned. The VA, the executives just resigned. We just stepped down yesterday. So they are not gonna follow this fool, and I don't blame them. Follow his nonsense. I'm like, nope, I wouldn't either. Sorry. It, mm-mm. Yep. Uh-huh. Yep. It's crazy. Yep.
What's going on? Oh,
Mm-hmm. You know, Trump blaming the Ukrainian president for the war. When they know darn well Putin started all that. And he knows Putin started that. Putin started all that.
It's all gonna work out. Just
We
a
hope
little time.
so. I don't know.
Yeah, it's gonna work
I
out.
don't
People not
know.
gonna stay like that.
But we'll see. No, but we don't know what's going to happen though. Yeah. I'm glad you called to come check on him too.
People not gonna use that word.
hmm.
Yeah. Mm-mm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. That's it. So I saw a lot of they was boycotting the Tesla cars. You know he makes Tesla. They even some of the actors and actresses had their Teslas sold away. They was like, come and get your Tesla. They show one of them on TV with the car being sold. I was laughing. I'm like, bye. I'm like, there you go. They was protesting down here. I think it was last week or something. But you're gonna see a whole lot of that too. They are protesting over certain states. I forgot where though. I said, uh-huh. That's what y'all, but that's what a lot of them voted. They voted him in, and that's all he wanted to do was just to get in to do his dirty work. That's it. And now they want, now they getting it. But they ain't want a black woman president. Oh well, at least it wouldn't have been like this. They call Biden this, he's that, he's this. Oh well, but they come on, I'm gonna bring the price of your groceries down. Yeah, and guess what? You come on, all of these food pantries and food lines. Oh, we ain't seen nothing yet. They had not seen nothing yet. These prices are getting higher. Bread keep going up. Bread keep going up. The eggs is up to $9. I got mine from Walmart the other day. Was 6 something. Yeah. Mhm. I used to go to what's their name, Giant. Giant. I actually Giant.